taxi to the hotel.
Excuse me, is this taxi free?
Yes, it is. Please get in. Where would you like to go?
I need to go to the Daniels Hotel, please.
Of course. Do you have the hotel address?
Yes, here it is on my phone. It says 10 Park Street.
Thank you. I know that hotel. It is near the river and the old bridge.
Great. Is it far from here?
Not very far. It usually takes about 15 minutes.
That sounds good. I have one suitcase in the back.
That is okay. All set. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Sure. Is traffic busy right now?
A little, but the main road is still moving.
I am happy to hear that. Do they have restaurants near the hotel?
Yes. There is a small cafe, a pizza place, and a bakery on the same street.
Perfect. I may need dinner after I arrive.
The bakery also sells sandwiches until evening.
Good to know. How much will the taxi cost?
Around $20 depending on the traffic.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine. Cash is also okay.
Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. We are turning onto Park Street now.
Oh, I can see the hotel sign.
Yes, that is your hotel on the right.
Great. Please stop near the entrance.
Of course, here we are.
Thank you for the safe ride.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
I will. This first ride made the city feel less confusing.
Fresh bread at the bakery.
This bread smells wonderful from outside.
Thank you. We just took fresh bread out of the oven.
That sounds perfect. What kind of bread is warm right now?
We have white bread, brown bread, and small cheese rolls.
I need bread for breakfast at home.
Then the brown bread is a good choice. It is soft, but it is not too sweet.
Is it sliced already?
Not yet, but I can slice it for you.
Yes, please. That would help a lot.
Of course. Would you like one loaf or two?
One loaf is enough. I also want something small to eat now.
We have butter croissants and apple muffins.
Which one is more popular in the morning?
The croissant is very popular because it is light and warm.
I will take one croissant then.
Good choice. Would you like coffee or tea with it?
Do you have hot tea?
Yes, black tea and mint tea.
Mint tea, please. No sugar.
Sure. One sliced brown bread, one croissant, and one mint tea.
That is right.
Would you like a paper bag for the bread?
Yes, please. I need to carry it to my apartment.
It's okay. The total is $8.20.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap your card here.
Done.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
The bread looks very fresh.
It is. Try to eat it today or tomorrow.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome. Have a nice morning.
I think this will become my regular bakery.
We would be happy to see you again.
Train information desk.
Sorry, is this the information desk for trains?
Yes, it is. What do you need help with?
I am trying to go to Lake City this afternoon.
Let me check the schedule for you.
Thank you. I am not sure which train to take.
There is a direct train at 2:30 and another one at 3:15.
Does the 2:30 train stop many times?
No, it only stops twice. It is faster.
That sounds better. Which platform does it leave from?
Platform 5, but please check the screen before you go.
Okay, is the platform far from here?
Not too far. Go straight, then turn left after the coffee shop.
Do I need to buy a ticket here?
You can buy it at the ticket machine or at the counter.
Which is easier?
The counter is easier if you have questions.
I think I will use the counter.
That is a good idea. Ask for a one-way ticket to Lake City.
How much is it?
It is $12 for a regular seat.
Can I take a small bag on the train?
Yes, small bags are fine. Keep it near your seat.
Is there a restroom on the train?
Yes, there is one near the middle car.
Great. I am a little nervous because this is my first time here.
Do not worry. The signs are clear and the staff can help you.
Thank you. I feel better now.
You're welcome. Your train is on time today.
That is good news.
Please arrive at the platform 10 minutes early.
I will. Thanks again.
Have a safe trip.
I will watch the signs carefully.
That is a good plan.
Coffee shop name order.
I can take the next order here.
Great. I would like a medium latte, please.
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. It is cold outside today.
I understand. Would you like regular milk?
Yes, regular milk is fine.
Any sugar or syrup?
Just one small sugar, please.
Of course. Would you like something to eat with your latte?
What do you have today?
We have banana bread, chocolate cookies, and small sandwiches.
The banana bread sounds nice.
It is soft and not too sweet.
I will take one slice.
Great. May I have your name for the order?
My name is Tom.
Is that Tom?
Yes, that is right. Easy name.
It is. One medium hot latte and one banana bread for Tom.
Correct.
The total is $6.40.
Can I pay with this card?
Yes, please insert it here.
Okay, it says approved.
Perfect. Your receipt is here.
How long will the drink take?
About 3 minutes. Please wait near the pickup counter.
Sure. Is there a place to sit?
Yes, there is a small table by the window.
Good. I want to read a little.
That is a nice spot for reading.
Thank you.
Tom, your latte is ready.
That was fast.
Be careful. The cup is hot.
Thanks for telling me.
Enjoy your coffee and banana bread.
Thanks. I like how clearly you called my name.
We try to make every order easy to find.
Office printer. Problem.
Emma, do you have a minute?
Yes, Tom. What is the problem?
The office printer is not working for me.
What happens when you press print?
The paper does not come out and the screen says paper error.
Let me look. Did you check the paper tray?
I opened it, but I was not sure what to do.
It looks almost empty. We need to add more paper.
Oh, I did not see that.
That is okay. The tray is a little low.
Where is the paper kept?
In the cabinet under the window.
I can get it.
Thanks. Please bring one pack.
Here you go.
Great. Now we open the tray and put the paper in straight.
Like this?
Yes, but push it gently. Do not bend the paper.
Done. Should I close the tray now?
Yes. Now try printing one page.
The printer is making a sound.
That is good. It is starting again.
The page is coming out now.
Perfect. Is this the report you need for the meeting?
Yes, I need 10 copies.
Choose 10 copies on your computer, then press print.
Okay, I see the option now.
Good. Also check double-sided if you want to save paper.
Good idea. I will do that.
Nice. The printer looks fine now.
Thank you, Emma. You saved me before the meeting.
No worries. Printers can be tricky sometimes.
I will remember to check the paper tray first next time.
That will save you a lot of time.
Pet food store.
Welcome to Happy Pets. What are you looking for today?
I need food for my small dog.
Sure. How old is your dog?
He is 2 years old.
Then he needs adult dog food, not puppy food.
Good to know. I am new to this store.
No problem. The small dog food is on this shelf.
There are many bags. Which one is simple and healthy?
This chicken and rice food is popular for small dogs.
Is it easy for them to eat?
Yes, the pieces are small.
That sounds good. How much is this bag?
This small bag is $15.
How long will it last?
For one small dog, maybe 1 week or a little more.
Okay, I will take one small bag.
Would you like any treats today?
Maybe. What treats are not too hard?
These soft treats are good for training.
He is learning to sit.
Then these could help. Give only a few each day.
I will remember that.
Do you need a food bowl or a toy?
Not today. I already have a bowl at home.
Great. So, one small dog food and one soft treat bag.
Yes, that is correct.
The total is $21.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Please tap here.
Done.
Here's your receipt.
Thanks for helping me choose.
You're welcome. I hope your dog likes it.
If he likes it, I will come back for this bigger bag.
That would be a good way to save money.
Skateboard Park.
Emma, this skateboard park looks busy today.
Yes, but there is still space near the beginner area.
Good. I do not want to be in the fast part.
That is smart. We can stay near the flat ground.
I brought my helmet, but I feel a little nervous.
That is normal. The first few minutes always feel strange.
Can you show me how to stand again?
Sure. Put 1 foot near the front and 1 foot near the back.
Like this?
Yes. Keep your knees soft.
I feel like I may fall.
Hold the fence for a moment, then move slowly.
Okay. I can push a little with my right foot.
Good. Do not push too hard.
I am moving, very slowly, but I am moving.
That is a good start.
The children here are much better than me.
They practice a lot. You are just beginning.
True. I should not compare myself.
Exactly. Try to stop now.
How do I stop safely?
Put 1 foot down gently and slow your body.
Like this?
Yes. Nice job.
That felt better than before.
Do you want to try one small turn?
Maybe a very small one.
Look where you want to go and turn your shoulders slowly.
I did it a little.
You did. That is progress.
Thanks for being patient.
Don't worry about it. Learning is easier when we go step by step.
I want to practice 10 more minutes.
Good idea. Slow and safe.
Maybe next week I can try a longer ride.
Yes, but only when you feel ready.
Choosing a birthday card.
Excuse me, I need help choosing a birthday card.
Of course. Who is the card for?
It is for my sister. Her birthday is tomorrow.
That is nice. Do you want something funny or simple?
Simple and warm, please. I do not want joke card.
Then this section is good. These cards have kind messages.
I like the color of this blue one.
That one says, Happy birthday. Wishing you a wonderful day.
That sounds nice and easy.
It also has space inside for your own message.
Good. I want to write something short.
You could write, I hope your day is special.
That is a good sentence.
We also have cards with flowers and cards with balloons.
My sister likes flowers.
Then this flower card may be better.
Let me compare them.
Sure. Take your time.
The flower card looks more personal.
I agree. It is simple but pretty.
How much is it?
It is $3.
Do you sell small envelopes too?
The envelope is included with the card.
Perfect. Do you also have small gift bags?
Yes, they are next to the counter.
I will take one small pink gift bag.
Good choice. Card and gift bag together are $5.
Can I pay in cash?
Yes, cash is fine.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. I hope your sister has a lovely birthday.
I think this card will make her smile.
A simple message can feel very special.
Pharmacy opening hours.
Hi, I have a quick question about your opening hours.
Sure. What would you like to know?
Are you open early in the morning?
We open at 8 o'clock on weekdays.
That's helpful. I need to buy medicine before work tomorrow.
Then you can come after 8.
Do you close late?
We close at 9 in the evening from Monday to Friday.
Great. What about Saturday?
On Saturday, we open at 9 and close at 6.
And Sunday?
On Sunday, we are open from 10 to 4.
Thank you. I was not sure because the sign outside is small.
I understand. We also have the hours on the front door.
Do you sell cold medicine in the morning?
Yes, we have cold medicine, cough drops, and tea for sore throats.
I may need cold medicine tomorrow.
Do you have a fever or just a sore throat?
Just a sore throat and a runny nose.
For that, you can ask the pharmacist tomorrow. She can show you the right shelf.
Good. Do I need a prescription for simple cold medicine?
Usually no, but it depends on the medicine.
Okay, I will ask before I buy it.
That is the best idea.
Can I pay by card here?
Yes, we accept cards and cash.
Thank you for answering all my questions.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
Thanks. I will come back tomorrow morning.
We will be open at 8.
Great. I will come before work so I am not late.
That should work well.
Science exam review.
Emma, are you ready for the science exam tomorrow?
Almost. I still want to review the main topics.
Same here. I brought my notes.
Great. Let's start with the easy part first.
Good idea. The first topic is plants.
Right? Plants need water, sunlight, and air.
They also need soil, right?
Yes, most plants grow in soil.
What about the word roots?
Roots take water from the ground.
Okay, I should write that down.
The next topic is the human body.
I remember the heart, lungs, and stomach.
Good. The heart moves blood around the body.
The lungs help us breathe.
Exactly. You know more than you think.
Maybe, but I get nervous during exams.
Try to read each question slowly.
That helps. Sometimes I answer too fast.
Me too. I will check my answers at the end.
What should we review next?
The water cycle.
That one is hard for me.
Think of it in steps. Water goes up, clouds form, then rain comes down.
That is much easier.
See? Simple words help.
Can we practice one question?
Sure. Why do people need clean water?
People need clean water to drink, cook, and stay healthy.
Excellent answer.
Thanks. Now I feel more confident.
Good. Let's review for 10 more minutes, then take a short break.
Deal. Science feels less scary now.
Good. When we review together, the big topics become smaller.
That is true. I feel ready to try my best.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.